welcome back to penhouse.in YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector and anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. I am Navi and I am thrilled to have you here. So today we are going to review Cross Bailey 800452 model, a twist type ballpoint pen. I'll show you the pen first. Here is Cross 800452 model. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. And look at the color combinations, it's maroon and then silver. So in this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Okay, this overall body is made up of metal and look at the color combination. It's maroon and then silver color with glossy finish. So in the top of the clip, they have mentioned Cross brand name here. And this clip, it's a little bit tight clip, but we can insert this into the pocket. And here is the trim rings. Yeah, that's nice. This finial, it's a rounded finial. In the bottom of the pen, it's a twist type ballpoint pen. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length. This is Cross Bailey 80042 model. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. For calculating the length, we are going to use this vernier scale. First, we are going to calculate the overall length. 133.76 mm. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So we are going to calculate including the tip size. Including the tip, it carries 136.40 mm. Now we are going to calculate the grip section diameter. It's 9.06 mm. Now we'll back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Cross Bailey model twist type ballpoint pen. It's a mid-weight pen. It carries 32 gram. Now we'll remove this bottom and check the weight. It carries 20 gram and this cap carries 12 gram. Okay, now we'll take off this refill and check the weight. It's 16 gram and this refill carries. Now we'll back to our video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. So it's just amazing and it will come with an usual length. So it's a twist type ballpoint pen. We'll see the grip section. Okay, even though this is a glossy finish, but it's not slippery and it has a medium tip. We'll remove this. Okay, here is the bottom. This barrel is made up of also metal. It's not a use and throw pen. We can continuously use this pen. Whether we want to maintain this pen for long life, so you need to use a pouch. According to your pen size, you can customize. That is also available in penhouse.in. It's a light refill. It's black in color and this is medium tip. Okay. Now we'll see the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample, so that we are going to use Cross Bailey 80042 model twist type ballpoint pen. So here is the pen. First we are going to write penhouse.in. Wow, it's very smooth. This is black color refill. Alternatively, we can use instead of this so this is Cross Bailey model. 8042. Medium tap. I'm going to write the smoothing test now. Yeah, it's very smooth and I could write very fast actually. That's amazing. You can see here. And I couldn't feel the overweight and this very dark in color and amazing. I'm not making more pressure while writing. Yes, it's nice. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's just very smooth and we don't want to make more pressure while writing. It's just very smooth and the color combination I love and it's just amazing. So overall can use this pen. This is a medium tip and this is a mid-weight pen. All the school students and the college students, office going, everybody can use this pen. And we came to the end of the session. Whether Pennos is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading in YouTube? Not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing of different branded pens like Cross, Sheffer, Lamy, Parker, Ratnam, Ranga, all branded pens we are retailing and including all the spares are available in pennos.in like cartridges, refills, converters, refillers and fillers. Pouches, all these things are available, all the spares are available with different colors and different nib size and online order is also available. So other than that, we are manufacturing our own branded pens like ballpoint pens, roller ball pens and fountain pens including handmade pens. Most of the manufacturers currently not doing handmade pens, but in Pennos we are doing manufacturing pens. We are doing handmade pens including silver filigree pens. Your own designs you can customize. In previous shots you may saw that handmade filigree pens, Lord Balaji design, Lakshmi design, according to your company name or logo you can also customize like that. Your own designs are always welcome. And if you want to purchase this pen, this link is also in the description. So kindly see to it and purchase your order. You can also purchase through online. Other than that, you can also visit our shop directly. It's in Velacheri, Tambaram and in Solinganallur. And stay tuned with us. Tada bye bye. Thanks for watching.